Alright guys, Cameron and I are here in the Civic, and we are about to go to the shop and hopefully get the boost controller installed and see how that goes. Hopefully turn up the boost a little bit and everything does good. I still got the head gasket stuff coming in, although I really haven't had any more issues with any of that, but I'm probably going to go ahead and replace it anyways. I went ahead and got a block guard also, so we'll go ahead and throw that in. It should be good to go. Alright, there is the GReddy boost controller, and it's the PRofec Type S. So, and it's got all of its setup in here, all that stuff. So we'll get this hooked up, and it's literally a positive and a negative, and then this wire goes to your solenoid. I don't have the original solenoid, but I do have one of these Max solenoids here. So this should work for us. Get this wired up, get our hoses ran in and out, and then we should have some adjustability on there. Got some new double-sided tape on here. We're gonna get this attached. First thing we're gonna do is clean the spot with this alcohol here, and then we'll run our wire through and see if we can find a place to mount that. So I think I'm gonna put the controller right here, somewhere on the dash right here. I'm gonna find a good spot here. All right. The GReddy boost controller is on there. It's stuck down real good, so that should be fine where that's at, and I'll be able to see it sitting in the seat. Should be good. Right, everything under the dash is done. Now I just need to get this wire hooked up to my solenoid and get my hoses ran. All right guys, so the wire is now hooked up. This is my solenoid, and this other side over here has the vent on it. I've got boost pressure coming from my boost port going to there, and then out of the solenoid going over into the wastegate. So now I think we're ready to go test it. Alright guys, right now I have both of the meters on here just set completely low, so it shouldn't do anything to our boost. We should still be around 5.7 PSI or whatever it is that we were running. Like 8 pounds already. All right, so the air fuel ratio stayed around 12 something. I think I got that about right now. So now I've actually turned off the boost controller, so now we should be back in our normal wastegate pressure, because I still think it was opening just a little bit, even though it was set to the lowest part. We were still getting a little bit more boost there, and it felt pretty awesome. So let's try it with just it completely off. Yeah, that's it. So with it completely off, I'm all the way back down to regular old wastegate pressure, got right up to about 6, and that's it. So if I turn this back on, all I have to do is press and hold the button for a couple seconds. It will turn on. Now I'm in low boost. Now I can see what happens here. Getting a little over over 7 PSI right there. Woo! All right, now we can play around with it some. If I hit the select button, it'll change over to high boost. So the high boost, we really don't need to set on this thing because I'm not going to be running high boost. So I can turn it off if I want wastegate, or I can turn it on low boost. And I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. 3 little clicks. And I've got this set right in the middle of minimum maximum. So this is how fast the wastegate opens to whatever we've got it set. There's really no safety built into this though, so you can really mess some stuff up. So you got to be careful of that. So let's try it again here. See what we get this time. Bumped up to high 7s, so I can go a little bit higher with it. All right, so let's see where we're at now. Wow! Man, this thing is a rocket at 10 PSI. Woo! That's right, it's a shotgun. Man! Goodness gracious, this thing was moving out and we were still getting 12 point something, so I think the tune's actually pretty good. Fuel pressure is still pretty low. Yeah. Ooh. Man, this thing was moving out. Just wanted to show you where we're at. So this is where the settings are at right now. So now obviously yours will be completely different than this, but this is where we're at. And this feels pretty good. It's coming in pretty strong, getting right above 10 PSI and feels pretty dang good. So take a look at this.